everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how I attempted this Halloween makeup skull look. I'm trying to be festive. I never do anything like for Halloween. I did my nails in the Halloween theme, and I also did a Halloween makeup look. So if you guys want to see how to create this super affordable and super easy skull look, then just keep on watching this video. So I'm a little bit nervous because I never really done Halloween makeup before, so this is really just going to be a trial, guys. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to start by doing my base makeup. So I'm going to put on my primer as I always do. So now I'm just going to do my base foundation. I'm going in with Maybelline 368 Matte Poreless. Alright, so I just did my foundation and my eyebrows real quick. That didn't really take that much time at all. Alright, so since it's Halloween today, I'm just going to go straight in with a very dark color. And I'm using my e.l.f. palette. It has a whole bunch of different colors, and I'm using this color right here. So that's in my crease. I'm actually going to just go ahead and put that on my lid as well. Wow, I already look dead. So I'm going to leave my eyes like that just for right now, and then I'm going to go to the face. I want to make sure my under eye is pretty bright, so I'm going in with the, I don't even know, Rimmel London. This is a Rimmel London concealer, and I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes. I want this to be light, and you guys are going to see why. We are going to need that contrast, so let's go in. I'm going to put some down the center, some here. Now I'm just going to set that slightly, not too much. I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup. So I'm just going to do a very light contour, and I'm just going to go in with this. I don't remember what this palette is called, but just to give a little bit of definition there, I'm going to bring some up here. Now we're going to get into the whole look. Now we're really going to, this is where the fun happens. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this really powdery color here, and I'm just going to go in with an eyeshadow brush and kind of do my whole mouth like this. So I'm bringing this color out. Now I'm gonna take this eyeliner pencil. I mean, it's an eyebrow pencil. It's a brown, but I'm gonna use that to just go on the inside of my mouth here. I actually need a darker color, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm going to use the same thing that I use in my eyebrows. I'm going to take the black color and basically go straight down the middle of this line here. Hopefully it's not uneven, but I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And we all know we're going to draw the lines now, so what I'm realizing is that I want it to be more, in the sense that I'm going to do more here, like this. And now we're going to continue to do the lines, but I want them longer. I am so not good at this Halloween shit. This is not cute, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna stop there, and what I'm gonna do now is I am going to take this and kind of just draw. I'm gonna make it go up and go right into here, like that. This is actually so much fun drawing on my face. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette, and they have this black here, and I'm gonna color this in. We're gonna have to do some blending because this eyeshadow, the eyeliner is so dense. We have to blend it out. So I'm gonna go with a little more dense brush to try and blend out that eyeliner that I put over here. So I also want to blend out like the lines because they're a little like harsh. I'm going to blend those lines with the same eyeshadow. I'm going to use a flat brush here. Alright, so now we're going to do the nose, but I am going to add just a little bit of that light color on my nose because, you know, we want to make the contrast. blend these edges out a little bit. So it doesn't look so sharp. Now let's do the nose. So for the nose, you kind of want to do like something like this. I think about it like fire. Color that in. I definitely look scary. I don't know if I look like a freaking skeleton, but I definitely look scary. Alright, let's keep with the nose. Alright, so I want to add, I think I'm going to add just a little bit more finishing touches on this. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot believe I'm going to be sitting here doing this. Alright, so I'm going to take the dark eyeshadow and I'm basically going to kind of wing this out a little bit. Not really wing it, but just drag it out a little bit. See the difference? You see the difference from that to this? Now I'm going in with like a lighter brown to kind of make it look a little bit like, you know, I don't know. I don't even know. Blend. I'm trying to blend it, I guess. I want to get creative. I just want to get creative. So I'm going to take the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring it under a little bit. We can't have a skull with bright under eyes. So I'm kind of bringing it basically like on the inside of my eye, really. I'm just gonna blend a little bit more of the light shade, and I'm actually gonna go in with this. I just need it to blend a little bit better. And just because I want to be a little extra on highlight, I am going to highlight with this color here. I'm going to throw some highlight on. And this is the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I am going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy watching me really attempt to do something festive this year. I never celebrate Halloween, but if you did like this video, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more natural hair care, skincare, and lifestyle vlogs. That's what we do on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!